Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ShareASale affiliate account step by step clearly. To authenticate with your ShareASale affiliate account, begin by navigating to the ShareASale website. In the top right corner, click on the Login button. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully to ensure accuracy. After filling in both fields, click the Login button to proceed. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your ShareASale dashboard. For security purposes, check if there's a prompt to verify your identity. If prompted, follow the steps to complete the verification process. Now, locate the Account Settings or My Account option in the menu. Click on it to access your account information. Here, ensure that your payment details are correctly entered. Next, check for any security settings you may need to update. To enable two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to link your mobile device for added security. After completing these steps, your account will be more secure. To log out, click on the Logout option in the top right corner. You are now authenticated and ready to use your ShareASale affiliate account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.